Today we have the 2022 MG5. This vehicle has done just under 27,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and our start-stop button. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, navigation, and Apple and Android CarPlay. We also have our vehicle settings. From here, if we go into comfort and convenience, we have unique features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.